Da-da-da-da-da. Welcome to Bell Multicultural High School. I am your host, Mr. Athmer. Welcome to day 8 of DC-CAS testing strategies. We have the great blue wonder himself right here, Mr. Kent, and today we have the great push-up challenge. We want to ask Mr. Kent the most important question of the day. How many push-ups can he do in 30 seconds? So let's bring the great blue legend out right now. Mr. Kent, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling okay. I'm a little bit tired, but, you know, things will go well.
All right. Well, we have a question that all of America wants to know. How many push-ups do you estimate you can do in 30 seconds?
Well, it's been a long day, like I said, but, you know, if we take it time by time, I think I could go with 20 push-ups in 30 seconds.
Push-ups. All right. You heard it from the man himself, the great blue wonder, the great blue legend, the Sultan of SWAT, the great Bambino, Mr. Kent. He said he can do 20, right?
20
He estimates he can do 20 push-ups in 30 seconds. Well, America, it's time for you to find out. Let's do it.
Are you going to tell me when?
I will tell you when, and I will count how many you got. The clock is on the board. We have the counter. You may begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45.
Stop.
45 and a 1/2 push-up. Give him a round of applause, everybody. The great blue wonder. The great blue wonder. 34.5 push-ups. 34.5 push-ups by Mr. Kent. Mr. Kent, how do you feel?
Well, you know, I just had a positive attitude going in, and, you know, good things happen.
Hey, good things happen when good things happen. All right, so now we got to talk about the mathematics behind Mr. Kent's great performance. Let's come on over here. All right, we have some vocabulary to go over first. We have estimation, and you know this word already, but let's go over it explicitly. The estimation means an educated guess. Based on your real-world understandings of everything, what do you estimate something to be? What do you guess it's going to be? So, in your lesson packet, let's get this vocabulary down. Estimation, an educated guess. All right, Mr. Kent, what else do you got for vocab?
So, we have an estimation, which is an educated guess. The actual is what happens, what naturally occurs, or what happens in reality. So we can think of this as, hey, the truth, or what happens in real life.
Okay, 2 vocab words down, let's get one more. Today we're talking about approximate error. When you hear the word approximate, you think close, or what's happening, like what's the difference? So that's exactly what it is. It is the difference between your estimation and the actual measurement. So it's the difference between the estimation and the actual measurement. So these are our vocab words. You have this in your lesson packet. So now let's get to the actual mathematics of what Mr. Kent did. And we'll do the same exact problem. All right. Mr. Kent, you want to write down what your estimation was. Do you remember what your estimation was?
Well, I estimated that I could do 20 push-ups in 30 seconds.
All right. So that was his estimation. That was his educated guess. Based on prior experiences and times at the gym, Mr. Kent thought he could do 20 push-ups in 30 seconds. But now the actual is what really occurred, what we actually observed. And so what we actually observed, 34.5 push-ups. Is that right?
I think it was 34.5.
34 and 1/2 push-ups. And let's keep our units because it's always important. I'll do the same up here. So
Thanks,
we know what
Mr.
we're talking about. Yep.
Always
We
picking
have
me
to be
up.
precise. We got to be precise.
Teammates here.
Teammates. Getting things done as a team make things easier. And finally, our approximate error. Remember, like we said on our other board, it's going to be the estimation minus the actual, the difference between the two.
All we're doing is comparing what we estimated to what's true in reality, or what's really true.
So let's do that. Mr. Kent estimated 20 push-ups. and we take the difference and subtract 34.5 push-ups, which is the actual. And if you do the math, what do you get? What do you get? What do you get? Negative 14.5 push-ups.
Mr. Athman, why is it negative though? Negative 14.5 push-ups? I didn't do negative push-ups.
Yeah, but the difference was negative. You estimated 20. We got 34.5. So your estimation was under the actual observation.
Oh.
So it was negative.
So when I get a negative answer, if I'm doing my estimate minus my actual, and I get a negative, that means I'm estimated underneath what really happened.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And so hopefully approximate error makes a little bit more sense. It's very intuitive, but we do have mathematics to represent it. And so you have a practice problem on your lesson packet, and it might deal with area, it might deal with volume, it might deal with surface area. We can still use the approximate error formula to calculate approximate error. So let's go blue, let's make it happen, and good luck.
Go blue.